Hey, hello mga ka-Virgo. Mga ka-Virgo, ito ang inyong reading. Ano nga ba ang magaganap sa huling 2 buwan ng ating taong 2025? Okay, Ace of Cups in reverse. Followed by the Chariot in reverse. Bakit in reverse lahat? The Moon in reverse. Oh, at may isang Queen of Swords. Upright. Okay, lahat in reverse. Maliban sa Queen of Swords. Okay, mga ka-Virgo. Virgo, meron kang kailangan gawin at kailangan mo maging firm. Ano ba tawag doon? Kailangan mo maging kailangan mo what's the word kasi? You need to stand doon sa desisyon na gagawin mo. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na, ay, papalitan ko, ay, I change my mind, ay, hindi pwedeng ganon. You need to step on that. You need to act on that. So, Virgo, the last 2 months of this year, 2025, kailangan maging ano ka, kailangan, hindi naman sinasabing matapang, no? Hindi naman matapang ang tinutukoy dito. Ang ibig sabihin dito, kailangan, kung may sinabi ka, gawin mo. Kung may sinabi ka, pangatawanan mo. Okay? So, first, we have the Ace of Cups. The dominant card natin. Yung pinakaunang card natin. It's in reverse. Actually, that's a good card. Pero dahil nga may instability na nangyayari sa'yo, naka-in reverse siya. Meaning, emotionally speaking, you're not in a good term. No? Hindi ka maayos. Okay, Virgo? So, kailangan ngayon, Virgo, ang kailangan mong gawin ay kailangan mong salain, kailangan mong ikat. Ayan o, may espada ka. Kailangan mong ikat. Kung kailangan nakapikit mong gagawin yan. Meaning, parang kahit ayaw mong gawin, kailangan mo siyang gawin. Kasi no choice eh. Halimbawa, kung in terms sa pagkain to, may pinagbabawal na pagkain sa'yo. Pero gustong-gusto mo yan eh. So, kailangan mong gawin. Ikat mo talaga yon. Huwag mo nang kainin. Okay? Kung pwede nga, huwag ka nang magtingin-tingin ng mga pagkain na related doon kasi baka ang tawag doon, yung para kang maano na naman. Hindi influence ba ang tawag doon? Parang ma-attract. Ang tawag doon? Parang ang gulo kasi ng utak ko. Virgo. Ang gulo ng utak mo sa totoo lang. Kailangan mo ayusin yung mindset mo in terms of dealing things. Okay, Virgo? Kailangan maging may firm ka sa gagawin mo sa buhay mo. Sabi ko nga dito, you are a Queen of Swords. Kaso the problem is, nakalimutan mo. You forgot that you are the Queen of Swords. Kaya, nagkaroon ng unstable or naging unstable ang emotions mo because of that. Okay? Look at the Chariot. It's in reverse. Nag-stop ka eh. Hindi ka nag-continue. The Moon, it's in reverse. Alam mo kung bakit? Bakit ka nag-stop? Kasi nasaktan ka. You know why? The Moon is in reverse. It means there are secrets. Emotions to. But the moment it's in reverse, meaning you find out what are the secrets. And because of that, nung nalaman mo, na-discover mo kung ano yung mga sekreto na hindi magandahan, ayun, na-stop ka. Huminto ka for a moment. Why? Kasi nga, nasaktan ka. You're not stable. Emotionally, you're not stable. And because of that, nalungkot ka. Nagmukmok ka. Hanggang sa nakalimutan mo kung sino ka talaga. You are the Queen of Swords. Virgo, you are the Queen of Swords. Somehow, maaaring may Libra side ka din. pero nakalimutan mo yon. And this time, before the year 2025 ends, you need to claim your power back to you. You need to reclaim your power. You are the Queen of Swords. You are Virgo. So, kailangan mo i-reclaim yung power mo. Kasi nagpakalat-kalat na yung energy mo eh. Sa sobrang mukmok mo, sa sobrang lungkot mo, sa sobrang dismaya na na-realize mo, na-discover mo, nakita mo. Kasi may moon sign din dito. Maybe, your moon sign, somehow, it's a Libra, no? Or, your moon sign is an earth sign. And somehow, moon to, it's your emotions. Hindi okay yung emotion mo ngayon, Virgo. But, November and December will be these 2 months will have a big realization and a big comeback of your true self. But again, you need to do that. Walang ibang gagawa sa'yo niyan. Walang ibang magpipilit sa'yo niyan. At hindi mo dapat to ipilit. Okay, Virgo? Kailangan i-reclaim mo yung power mo. Bawiin mo yung power na meron ka as a Queen of Swords. Pero dapat hindi pinipilit. Okay? So, what is the first thing that you need to do? Isa lang ang sasabihin kong salita. Acceptance. Virgo, you need to accept what has been happening in your life. Acceptance. Accept. Kasi kung hindi ka matututong mag-accept, Virgo, then how does forgiveness comes in? Tandaan mo, kung walang acceptance, walang love, walang forgiveness, walang humbleness, walang gratefulness. Wala lahat yung mga good or virtues na dapat meron ng isang tao. So, first thing first, accept. Accept what is the reality. Hindi magandang nakita mo, then that's the reality. Accept it. And then, move forward. Go on with your life. Hindi yung nakita mo, nagmukmok ka, and then nag-swimming ka na sa pagmumukmok. Hindi tama yan. So, accept. That's the word. Okay? And the moment you accept everything, no? That's the time your power will come back. And next year, sa bagong taon, you will be the Queen of Swords again. Ayan, no? Strength. You need the strength. And you can never have that strength if you will never accept. What? Paano mo malalaman kung gaano kakatapang kung hindi mo pa na-realize kung gaano kakahina? Diba? How there will be lightness if there is no darkness? So, same goes. So, i-claim mo to. Today, I maintain control of my emotions. I rise above self-doubt. I affirm my own power and stand strong in my unshakable faith. Today, I know that I have the strength to overcome anything I encounter. I find my courage in the truth, holding tight to the force of love. I triumph over fear. Huwag ka matakot, Virgo. Halimbawa, nakita mo yung partner mo, niloloko ka niya. Actual, personal nakita mo. Nagulat ka, Virgo. Pero, you need to accept. Cut it off. Accept. And with that, when you accept, strength will come. Kasi hindi mo makiklaim yung power mo kung hindi mo i-accept kung ano ang nawala sa'yo. Now that you know kung anong nawala sa'yo, ibalik mo na siya ngayon. So, Virgo, I know, masakit, hindi maganda ang pinagdadaanan mo ngayon, pero remember this, Virgo. The strength isn't within you. You need to hold it. You need to hold it with faith, okay? And you can only do that by means of praying to God and accepting everything that is happening in your life. Okay, Virgo? So, Virgo, that's all you're reading for today. I hope it resonates. And tandaan mo, Virgo, bago matapos ang taon na to, kailangan matuto ka mag-accept para bumalik ang strength na meron ka at ipagpatuloy mo ang bagong buhay sa susunod na taon. Thank you for listening, Virgo, and we'll see you again in our next reading. Bye!